welcome back to the channel. The other day, a friend of mine asked me a kind of a difficult question. If I had to choose only one food to eat for the rest of my life, which one would I pick? For me, I think it would have to be bread. There's just something about it. Fresh, warm, homemade bread. The way it tastes, the way it smells, the way it brings people together. I don't think I'll ever get sick of eating bread. I can eat it every single day, all day. So today I am finally learning to make it myself. I have picked a recipe that only requires 3 ingredients. It's supposed to be very easy, and I hope it turns out okay. For the ingredients, we have all-purpose flour, organic. I have chosen this brand. We have sea salt and yeast. Maybe the reason I love bread so much is because it reminds me of my childhood. I grew up in Transylvania, and over there, bread isn't just food, it is part of life. When I was a child, we had a brick oven right outside the kitchen, and every Saturday morning, my grandma would make fresh bread. I can still remember the smell. It was so warm and rich and comforting, filling the whole house and the yard. I would wake up to the sound of her working the dough, watching her shaping it with care, and by midday, we would have golden, crusty loaves fresh from the oven. There's just something special about how Europeans treat bread. It's not just a side, it is a ritual. Whether it's a crusty baguette in France, fluffy pita in Greece, or cozonac in Romania, every culture has its own version. And today, I want to bring a little bit of that tradition into my own kitchen. you.